Hello and welcome to another tech article. In today's article, I'm going to do another SureMail connection, and in this case, I'm going to connect SMTP2GO to SureMails using the native integration. So this is the third video that I've done on SureMails and connecting a different type of account, and I'm going to head straight over to SMTP2GO and we're going to generate my username and key. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up an SMTP username, and I'm going to go through this. I'm going to add tech articles. I've got a password. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to add SMT username. And we have SMTP settings. Now these can go into as they are. So we've done that. I'm also going to go to API keys, and I'm going to generate a new API key. So we have an API key. Let me grab that password and let me grab this API key. And I'm going to leave all of the rest as is, and I'm going to add that API key. So we now have an API key and an SMTP user. We're going to head over to SureMail, and as in the previous two videos, this is a brand new instance with just SureMails installed, no additional connections. So I'm going to add a connection, and we're going to select SMTP2GO. And this is our SMTP2GO connection. Now it's asking for an API key. We generated an API key. Now you can also connect via your SMTP password if you wish, which would be the same way as a direct admin video that is released just before this one. That would be how you would connect using SMTP settings. So, but in this video, we're going to concentrate on API. So from our from email, we're just going to put hello at tech articles because that is the approved domain that I have with SMTP2GO. And from the from name, we're going to put video demo SureMail. Now we're going to leave the false from email checked, and we're going to leave the false from name checked because I want all of my emails to come through this. If you're using several different versions of email and your provider allows it and they are registered, you don't have to force them. But in my case, I'm going to force them. I'm going to push save changes. And as you can see, it is now telling me that I've connected. And what we're going to do is send a test email. And we're going to send that test email to test@wpcode.dev, which is a catch-all to my Gmail account up here. And we're going to close all this down. We'll check our email logs and you can see that it's successful. And if we head over here, you can see that we've had our email delivery to us with our video demo SureMail attached to it with the hello at tech articles domain name. And we have our email details. Ignore the Cloudflare email. As I said, this is a catch-all email account through Cloudflare. And that's it, set up and done. As I say, that's connecting via the API. If you want to connect via SMTP, you've got your details down here. And these would go in a standard SMTP connection, just like the previous video. So you'd go to other SMTP provider and you'd put your host in here, your port in here, your username and the generated password in here. And that's how easy it is to connect SMTP2GO to SureMails. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. And if there's a video that you'd like to see, do let me know. Thanks for watching.